Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be taking a look at LastFit's newest product, which is a magnetic phone mount for your phone. Let's go. If you're interested in this product, I will be linking it down below, as well as all of LastFit's products. Use my code CTFK7 if it's after November 30, but if it's within November 30 to 2022, use my code CTFK720 to get 20% off. For a long time, I've been in the market for a perfect phone mount where I could just go inside my car and just plop my phone onto that magnetic mount, but I couldn't find any. The ones that I found on Amazon or any other store usually block the vent or block your touch screen. Well, LastFit just reached out to me and they notified me that they have a phone mount specifically for the Honda Civic, where you can just walk in your car, sit on the driver's seat, and just plop this on to the magnetic mount. Starting off with the unboxing. So as you can see, this came from LastFit themselves. It has my address right there. If we flip the box over, we get a LastFit logo. It's just a plain old cardboard box. This is what it looks like. Another LastFit logo. 15-watt charging. So if you have an iPhone, this is perfect. Secure magnetic lock, has charging protection, MagSafe compatible, just like what I was just talking about earlier. We have a built-in 16-piece N52 magnets, and this is vehicle specific. So this obviously is for the Honda Civic. Here we go. It just slides out just like that. Okay. So out of the box, our first thing that we're going to be seeing is this guy right here. Please use case with MagSafe or use our magnet ring with case. Please use QC 3.0 car charger. So let's just take that sticker off. This is what it looks like. So this right here is the mount itself. So this actually just goes over your hazard lights switch, which I'll show you guys once we install it. This piece connects to the mount that connects to your phone. So you're going to take this and then you're going to be sliding this inside like that. Slide it all the way down. Again, I'll be showing you guys later once we actually install this onto the car. And after that, that's about it. Speaking of installation, let's go on ahead and install this in the car. All right, guys, so we are now inside of the Civic Type R. And all you really have to do for this is you're going to grab this piece right here, which is your mount holder. And you can see there's like little ridges right here, which will clamp onto your vents. So all you really have to do is just push this in like this, and then it should snap on just like that, as you just heard. And then you're gonna grab this ball right here. Then you're just gonna slide it in like this, and then until it snaps on, and then you can actually adjust this. So if you want, if you have a smaller phone, you can just, attach it right here on the very bottom. But me having a larger phone, just make sure that it's actually locked in place. I'm gonna be putting mine on the top. So you're gonna grab this magnetic mount, then you're gonna be attaching it to this guy. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna loosen this, twist to the left, make sure that the LastFit logo is on the bottom. Then you're just gonna push this in. Okay, it snaps in place. You're gonna tighten this to the right, or to my left actually, because righty tighty, lefty loosey. So instead of twisting to the right, you're actually gonna be twisting to the left to tighten it. Make sure that it is nice and tight. Okay, so now it looks like that. I'm gonna grab my phone and I'm just gonna stick it on just like that. There you go. So now you have a cool mount that's not obstructing the vents, that's not obstructing your infotainment screen, and it just snaps on like that. Every time you get in the car, magnetic, snap it on, and then when you want to charge your phone, plug the wire in. There's a USB-C right here, which you can just plug your USB-C that they provided. 15-watt charging, so you just plug that in. I actually have a LastFit adapter, which I made a video of. But if you also want the LastFit adapter that supports 15-watt charging, I'll be linking it down below. Use my code CTFK7 for additional 10% off. So what I'm going to be doing is we're actually going to be taking a ride, and we're going to see how well this phone mount holds up. If I go in twisty curves, I'm pretty sure it's going to hold up really well because these magnets that are on this mount are pretty strong. So I'm going to do my best to go on as much as twisties as I can, even bumps, so that we can see how well this mount holds up. So I'm going to strap that on, turn the car on. Also, this makes a perfect vlogging camera. I just realized that. Look at that. That's awesome. So I just realized with this mount, it makes a perfect vlogging camera, because if you're a vlogger and you do videos, this mount is perfect. Like, you can center your phone and you can also adjust it as well. So if you want it face more to yourself, if you want it face more to yourself while you're driving, there you go. But if you have like a passenger, you can face it in the middle so that you and your passenger can talk and, like, you know, be in a vlog or whatever. So perfect. Look at that. That's awesome. All right. You can also shoot some outside footage if you want. So as you can see right there, I'm shooting the stuff that's in front of me, although it's better if you get like a dash cam, but it's there. It's possible. You can also flip it like that. So if you go on Instagram Live or Facebook Live or even YouTube Live or whatever live, you can do that as well. This is the angle that you guys will be seeing if I were to, you know, to go on live. So yeah, super convenient. I just have to adjust this, but you guys get my point. So we're gonna go ahead. Whoop. Ooh. So far, so good. It's holding up strong, actually. Look at that. That's awesome. So this is footage from my phone, obviously, that's facing me. Let's go ahead, hit the curves. So far, so good. Can't complain. Look, I'm even like tapping on the screen and everything. Look at that. Look how strong this magnet is. Like, seriously. Oh. And look at that. This is just perfect. It just fits perfectly with the car. See that? It's not blocking any of the vents. Not a single vent is blocked, even when I mount the phone. Look at this. See that? It just... maybe it blocks off some of this part right here. But if you have like the iPhone 14, not the Pro Max, but like, you know, the regular size iPhone and obviously the mini, it's probably not going to get blocked as much as this, but only the top maybe 2 vents are blocked, but it's not completely blocked because look, you have this space back here for, you know, the vents to, I guess, cool down your phone while it's charging. But yeah, I mean, look at it. It looks like it's not even there, honestly. You just take your phone out like that, boom, just like that. In conclusion, do I think this mount is worth it? Absolutely, 100%. Not only because LastFit is my sponsor, but I think this product is perfect, especially for you iPhone users, because we do have that MagSafe on the back of the iPhone. For Android users, you do have an option to get those magnetic cases where you can put magnets or something that is MagSafe compatible. You do have that option, and I think Amazon sells the cases so that you'll be able to use this mount. Some Androids already have magnets in the back, but it's not going to be as strong as the one that Apple has for their MagSafe cases or MagSafe feature that they have on their phone. Now, I could be using this phone without the case and it should still be fine. I just choose to put a case on because, you know, I want to protect my stuff and I don't want this breaking if it does fall, you know. But yeah, I feel like this product is 100% a must get. Not only this, but if you don't have LED lights on your car, LastFit is the way to go, as well as floor mats. There's also a battery jump starter, cargo box organizer, and I feel like all those products are worth it because I myself has all the LastFit products installed on my Type R as well as my FK7, which you guys already know because I did make videos of all the LastFit products. So if you want to check out any of my reviews of the LastFit products, I will be linking it down below so that you can go check them out. Also, LastFit is also doing a Black Friday sale, 20% off all orders. You just have to use my code CTFK720 to get 20% off. Usually it's 10% off if you use my code CTFK7, but since they're doing a Black Friday sale, everything is going to be 20% off until November 30. So be sure to take advantage of that. If you're watching this and it's after November 30, then just use my code CTFK7 for an additional 10% off all items on the LastFit's website. Thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time FK7. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.